Let's jump straight into the first round. We're playing team deathmatch, or kinda. Count to 5, the enemy's out, count to 10, and you revive your teammate. Let's see what happens. Sorry. There's a bunch of speakers installed all over the field. It's kind of confusing and also kind of interesting. There's a bunch of sounds you're gonna hear at some point. Tell me in the comments which sounds you hear from the speakers. Oh, sorry. Do det. Fuck, det var hurtigt. What?
Hvad?
It's over, yeah.